Margadi month, 19th day. Tiruppavi Pasuram 19. குத்து விளக்கெரிய கோட்டுக்கால் கட்டில் மேல் மெத்தென்ற பஞ்சசயனத்தின் மேலேறி கொத்தலர் பூங்குழல் நப்பின்னை கொங்கை மேல் வைத்து கிடந்த மலர் மார்பா வாய்த்திரவாய் மைத்தடங்கண்ணினாய் நீ உன் மணாளனை எத்தனை போதும் தொழில் எழ ஒட்டாய்கான் எத்தனை ஏலும் பிரிவாற்ற கில்லாயால் தத்துவமன்று தகவேலோ ரெம்பாவாய். In this Pasuram, Andal waking up Nappinai. Even in the previous Pasuram, she woke up. She was trying to wake up Nappinai and requesting her to wake up Krishna. But nothing worked out. So she continued in this Pasuram to waking up Nappinai. And she is describing Nappinai. She is giving so many adjectives to Nappinai. குத்து விளக்கெரிய கோட்டுக்கால் கட்டில் மேல், the cot made up of the tusk of elephants, and you have a lamp which gives light. That lamp giving light is referred to the Jnanam by the Purvacharyas. Mettendra Panjasayanathil mere, you are lying on the bed which has got 5 qualities like softness, cool, it has got good smell, it's beautiful, and it is neat, pure. And she is telling her, both of you are inside and you are not coming out. So she is referring Krishna. Vaitthi kidanda malar marba. You are the one who do anything for the bhaktas. So when he does anything for bhaktas, when he is kind towards bhaktas, his chest expands and out of compassion, out of love for devotees. So that is what she is saying. And she is asking Kanna to open the mouth. Because in the previous Pasuram she was asking to open the door, but here she is asking to open the mouth. Then she is telling Nappinai, Maittarang Kanninai Neevun Manalanai, why don't you wake up your husband? Why don't you come out? Why don't you allow him to come out? Because Krishna, he tried to. When Andal asked him to open the mouth, he tried to open it, but Nappinai stopped. And Nappinai is saying, when she asked me to open the door, you didn't allow me. You asked me to come to the bed. But now you are opening or you are responding to her. So these two were actually like helping the bhaktas. Each one wanted to do favor for that bhakta. So Krishna wanted to do favor for bhakta, and Nappinai too wanted to do favor for bhakta. So in that way both were competitive. Ettane podum thulare ottaikan. So she is, Andal is asking her, why you are not allowing Krishna to get up and Krishna to answer me and Krishna to wake up? Why are you doing this? This is against your nature. You are such a kind person. You are the one who is taking care, because Nappinai is incarnation of Mahalakshmi. So Andal is saying, this is not your nature. You are acting against your nature. And she is requesting her to open the door. Today's temple is Sri Vijayaragha Perumal temple at Tiruppatkuri. Tiruppatkuri is 15 kilometers away from Kanchipuram. This temple has connection with Ramayana. This is 57th Divya Desam of 108 Divya Desams. Tirumangai one of the 12 Alvars, visited the temple and performed Mangalasasanam here. Rajagopuram has 3 tiers. And main deity here is Vijayaraghava Perumal, Tayar, Maragadavalli Tayar. The deity is in sitting posture with 4 hands, upper hands holding Changu and Chakra, and lower right hand is in Abhayahasta. And here we find Bhuma Devi on the right hand side of Perumal and Sri Devi is on the left, which is not common. Jatayu is on the laps of Sri Vijayaraghava Perumal. You can have a darshan of Jatayu on the laps of Sri Vijayaraghava Perumal. And this temple was built by Sundara Pandya. The inscriptions belong to the period of Sundara Pandya or found here, and this temple belonged to the period of 13th century. And later Vijayanagar kings also contributed for the development of this temple. Jatayu belongs to Pul, that is the family of eagle. After the death of Jatayu is buried here in the pit, that is in Tamil Kudi. So this place is known as Tiruputkudi. Tiruputkudi. This is how this place got the name. And this temple has the features of Sanctum Sanctorium, Antarala, Arthamandapa, Mukhamandapa. It has got Tayar Sannadhi separately and Andal Sannadhi. Tayar, Maragadavalli Tayar. All Alvars are kept for our darshan in Arthamandapa. And Tayar Maragadavalli Sannadhi is like a separate temple here. This temple is connected with Ramayana. In Ramayana, we find Rama and Lakshmana searching for Sita after Sita was abducted by Ravana. And Jatayu was the one who saw Sita taken away by Ravana. Jatayu wanted to share it with Rama, and when Jatayu was trying to save Sita, Ravana cut off his wings. So he fell on the earth and he was waiting for Sri Rama, and he conveyed what he saw to Rama and he died. So he was holding his breath till Rama came. Rama did final rites to Jatayu like how a son does to father. So this place is attached to Jatayu. That's why we find the Moolavar Vigraham, the main deity, Sri Vijayaraghava Perumal, keeping Jatayu on his lap. Here Jatayu is given all importance, all respect. And Rama gave mukti to Jatayu here. And Jatayu wished to see Rama as Vishnu. So Lord Vishnu appeared as Vijayaraghava Perumal here. So the Moolavar with Sri Devi and Bhudevi and keeping Jatayu on his lap. And why Bhudevi and Sri Devi changed the direction That is because when they were not able to bear the heat of the fire, because they were here when the final rites were done for Jatayu. So not to bear the heat, they interchange the place. This is the Purana behind it. And there is another important feature here, that is the incident. The great Acharya Ramanuja started his schooling here in this place. He started his schooling under the teacher, his first teacher, Sri Yadava Prakashar. So inside the temple we can see that is written with the sculpture. Sri Ramanuja stayed in Tirupurkudi for some time and he learnt from Yadava Prakasha. There are separate Sannadhis for Vedanta Desikar and Manavala Mamunigal here. And this is a Pratana Sthalam for the ladies who wish to have children. There is a belief that if the ladies, those who do not have children, they keep their fried pulses, grams, on their stomach. That is, they tie it with a sari and keep it on their stomach and stay here for a night. The next day, the fried ones they develop sprouts. That means they are blessed by the God to have child. So this prarthana goes on even today.